Just walk on straight, uncut version. Straight through the town where I walk. We are going to KFC.
If you give me one free, me take it.
Eh?
If you give me one free, me take it. But they have Bundong supermarket. So, you know.
They call Bundong supermarket.
Right, that's the name Bundong supermarket.
You see Bundong before?
I don't know.
Yes, me. Eh?
Yes, right there.
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage, alright.
The leverage, yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say about Eclips, and we're out here in a Santa Cruz St. You don't know, say we're on the team out of Dama.
I'll go on.
We're there, man. We're boy out there in the KFC. So I just try to show you the town and show you the KFC, you see me? Yeah, man, and look how the town look, you see me? So, damn. We are walking in the town and show you where I'm going. Yeah, man. A good thing about it, you know, hold it, the thing I lock up the screen. Yeah, man. You know the place of the people level.
Eh?
You know some of the place of the price.
Alright, so currently we're at Top Price. Yeah, this is Top Price Plaza.
Yeah. Just walk on straight, uncut version. Straight through the town where I walk. We are going to KFC. You like the vehicle, right?
Yeah. If you give me one free, me take it.
Eh?
If you give me one free, me take it.
Yeah, man. Just test it. See the now Midtown Plaza out here. What I want to say? Sangia what?
Sanjiagwe. Guan. Sanjiagwan.
Say you don't know say Chinese and one that.
Sanjiagwan.
Going live right now. You want like, oh, show that.
Show them, man. Show them.
Yeah, man. Look on it. Some nice Santa Cruz ladies. Look.
Wow. When I get it.
Camera, get you on.
I want to sing a tune for the people. I see them singing.
Then you're walking at the top. Oh. You know how to do it.
Yeah, with the Maximate Pharmacy, you know. Yeah. Back to school, 50% off. They get the children go to school Monday. Yeah.
The back to school, how old are they now? Listen, January.
With the Bundong supermarket. So, you know.
They call Bundong supermarket.
Right, that's the name Bundong supermarket.
You see Bundong before?
I don't know. With the K design. So when your phone fixed, you can go above K design and get it fixed. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You walk the town, man. You see? Yeah, man. That road. It not carry both same time. You see me? I always say I shake the camera when I walk, isn't it? So hold it by that, isn't it? So you come, I'll make it shake, so.
That I grip, that's my grip.
Let it talk more then.
No, man, when I have my hands up, I'm using directly, man.
So you can do it and shake it more. Because I tell you what, it's time I'll be there thing, man, yeah.
Too much traffic in our town. Town are one way right now.
Show you where I get after we get to show where we get, so check out and see where I go. Maybe we'll show you a walk back, you see me? So that I leverage. Hold up the thing that I think that feels good. Yeah, so that I leverage. Check it out. Yeah, leverage nation right now. So I'm gonna wait about a little swell. I'm finding a cheap food in the front of the line there, so. Yeah, so we just wait and see, you know? We have to go walk past school China. That is it, leverage nation. We out here, you know leverage. Oh, go on.
Get you now 2 minutes, I'll panic.
Oh, yeah, do.
Links, man, believe.
Where is it?
Links, man, believe.
Yeah. So every nation you just reach and get the other part, so you see the links. I guess part of Jamaica thing, you know? You know leverage, man. Watch a meet.
It's weird. Only about the
yeah, man. So check in and tell get the resume. You know your leverage. So leverage nation with the KFC, we left Odien. I forget the chicken. We walk go down and so we stop at Scotia, so we have to the place and show you more. I walk go black where we are forward from. But hopefully you see something we catch an eye and look where I go on. Right? We're there, man. Look on the place and look on the place. Hold this camera, man. Boom! Hold it.
Yeah, I got my camera, man. Yeah, I got my camera, man.
People, if you hold the camera, man, my camera, man. That's a leverage. Yo, you know,
go, man, I walk too close to me. You stand me, go on.
You record, but you don't look at grung, you record.
Better me, I record no grung, better go on, man. Look back funny when you're done.
Huh?
Look back funny when you're done.
I will not come to you. Still at this yet. I'm going to come to you, man. Yeah. Let us, we want to keep on after them.
Go on, man, you're active, better. You're active, better. Go on, man.
I could walk, man.
I walk right down to taxi stand now, sir.
Alright, so we walk by the taxi stand.
I watch at the Everam up in the seat at the center.
What?
Everam, one upstairs at the center. Everam.
Anything I tell me, tell everything like it's a child, I tell you.
Yeah. The barber shop there upstairs, people are always full up there like the barber don't can trim. So anytime when I want a trim, I can check out them barber, they see me. Yeah.
One place to put their soap.
Walk in front of me like that. Come like a man slippers I walk here.
I have to go read.
Yeah, right there.
So to the like out to the
Saturday.
weekend.
Yeah.
One way them normally do.
Every day,
Every day
from
one.
like end part of November, then do it straight back till January. Ease up the traffic.
Can't me every day and I close to me and my nose every day.
You can see what later for you, brother. Up there.
What's under my nose? Come on.
You remember when we say one of my mouth?
Yeah, that chin. Lordy, lordy. Yeah, I mean that.
This is Lifestyle Tech, and I come to tell you about DJ Spec. The S is for smart, the N is for magnificent, the U is for unreadable, the R is for strong, and the
Oh,
Shit. Shit. Food stuff, juice, food stuff, more drunk food and something.
last 5 pack away of them.
They're not thick as that. You have big old kick as about size 15 while ago. Oh, go on. Bro, yeah. They carry loud and slow. Eh? Catch your man better, isn't it? Oh, they are mothers right now. there. Yeah, man, there. The plane. The plane. What do you man? What do you so again? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, look up yourself. Big number 10 fan on your team. India play for States first, number 7, and then change to Monroe.
Man, go on like so. Leverage Nation, look here, one nice little tour at this place, isn't it? So you don't know. Always remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. You know your leverage. Oh, we're gonna show them the KFC. We're gonna show them
the KFC, yeah.
Ah, we're showing a KFC.
Yeah, we're back at top price now. We're going for vehicle and we're going for KFC, then we're showing now what we get. Yeah, that is it.
Leverage Nation, I finally get about an hour and a half with away for the food. You see they all dark up on it. But you see, I guess you get some chicken. Oh, I guess let me show you my one later on or so. We'll get a 3-piece barbecue. You want to show them the barbecue real quick? Yeah. Show them my barbecue. Right. You see me? So that is it. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. See there? Barbecue, the best flavor. The best. You see me? So, yeah man. Like, comment, share and subscribe.
Yeah, so Leverage Nation, we did get this too. Famous ball. Yeah, so we're gonna mash up this right now. Where's the leverage?
You are mash it up because you're gone. You never have the chicken already and now you're gone in the bowl. So yeah.
Yeah.
That's it, man. Not up.
Oh. Oh, like share, like, comment, share, and subscribe. You see me? Yeah.
No spicy.
Nah, the barbecue then.
Sauce of barbecue, get that sign takes a long man. Yeah, so that's how it Leverage Nation. You know the leverage until next time. Open enjoy that the Santa outing we do. We show them basically the whole out town.
Well, listen, I have some